With KHON2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha po, Ono. Happy Saturday. We are in store for some wet weather ahead that will begin later tonight in through the next few days. So highlighting tomorrow afternoon where we are expecting cloudy skies, but I want to bring attention to these rain chances, windward and Mauka sections on the bottom. Hilo side or the windward Mauka side of Hawaii Island, 100%. We are going to be seeing the main focus, at least of this first round of wet weather within this this next episode of a wet weather. We are going to be focusing over Hawaii Island. I say first round because as we get into the new week, we're going to have some moisture being pulled up from the south, and that could give us a second round of wet weather within this first episode of a storm system for this year. So high threats, especially for our rain tomorrow. We have a flood watch that is posted for all islands, winter storm watch for the summits of Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, and then a marine statement for surges potentially for the harbors of Kahului and Hilo. In terms of our surf, 9 to 12 footers up towards the north, 3 to 5 for the west, along with the east, 1 to 3 down on the south. So in terms of the timeline, let's go a few hours by a few hours. Fast forward to 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're starting to see this upper level, or excuse me, this kona low starting to drop down from the south. And in terms of the showers at that point, again, we're going to see the main focus over the Hilo side of Hawaii Island. We're at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're starting to see, and it's really the weather and the system that engages with the mountains, particularly of each island, that could be bringing that potential impact in terms of the rain rates, the thunderstorms, again, that is potential for this. Now, in terms of that second round, we're going to fast forward to around Monday into Tuesday, where this moisture starts to be pulled up, and we start to see then the main focus of the heaviest showers move over towards the west, Kauai and Oahu, as we get into Tuesday. Now, in terms of rain rates, again, for the next 3 days, for Hawaii Island is where we're going to be seeing the greatest. So breaking down the island, Volcano up to nearly 10 inches, Hilo around 8.5 inches. Mainly the focus will be the east side. And a lot of that has to do, again, with the cloud formations, but also the winds. So first we have this variable conditions with more southeasterly, southerly winds that's going to start to build. That will continue as we get through next week in terms of a southeasterly flow. In terms of, again, the rain rates that we are seeing, and particularly here on Oahu along the Kaneohe area up to Ahui Manu. Now, in terms of what we're going to be seeing for the winds, we're going to be seeing those winds start to build because the greatest day, or the day with the greatest speeds in terms of the winds is going to be peaking around Monday. That's going to be up to around 30 miles an hour, potentially even more, particularly those gusts. But what we're going to be seeing, thunderstorms, that threat remains up until Wednesday. The showers, though, continue to linger through Thursday, even Aloha Friday, where then another potential storm could start to move closer by Aloha Friday into Saturday. That could potentially bring this wet weather more than a week's time. Stay with KHON2. We'll be keeping you informed.